So I asked ChatGPT, what will happen in 2026? And this is what it told me. There are some exciting developments on the horizon for ChatGPT. By 2026, we can expect to see the model integrated into various products and services, expanding its reach to a wider audience. For example, it could be used in education to personalize learning experiences, or in healthcare to assist with diagnosis and treatment plans. The possibilities are really endless, and we're only limited by our own imagination. One potential development is the release of a mobile app, which would make it more accessible to users on the go. Another possibility is the integration of ChatGPT into Microsoft Office applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This could help users with tasks such as writing, formatting, and generating ideas for presentations. It has the potential to change the world as we know it, and we can't wait to see what the future brings. For example, if you're a writer, you can use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm ideas or to generate different versions of your work. Or if you're a teacher, you can use it to create interactive exercises for your students. Thanks for watching. In addition to these developments, we can also expect to see ChatGPT being used in new and innovative ways that we may not have thought of yet. So don't worry too much about your job security. Instead, focus on how you can use AI to improve your work and make your life easier. And remember, AI is a tool that can help us do our jobs better, but it's not going to replace us anytime soon. ChatGPT's success has been nothing short of phenomenal. Its user-friendly interface and powerful language capabilities have made it a popular choice among businesses and individuals alike. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more exciting applications for ChatGPT in the near future. The rise of this technology also brings with it a sense of wonder and excitement about the future of AI. Many people are fascinated by the potential of this technology to revolutionize the way we live and work, and it's this sense of wonder and excitement that has made ChatGPT so popular in the first place. However, it's important to remember that AI is not going to replace humans anytime soon. AI has its own limitations, and there are many jobs that require human touch that AI cannot replace. However, it's not all just about the practical applications of ChatGPT. As we look ahead to 2026 and beyond, it's clear that ChatGPT is here to stay. So I then asked ChatGPT, should I be worried about losing my job to AI? And this is what it told me. It's understandable to be concerned about the impact of AI on your job security. Instead of focusing on the negative, it's a good idea to focus on how you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to enhance your work and make your job easier. It is also important to remember that AI technology is still developing, and there are many things that AI cannot do yet. This was a summary of what ChatGPT said. Make sure to subscribe.